Hello everyone. Today I'm going to share, do you have to work where you're getting pressure or some kind of tension? I mean to say, if you're getting some pressure from your company or in your job place, that time do you have to work or you have to continue with the same job? Actually, it's happened with me before some days, before 1 month. I was just working in a company. I don't want to say this company name. I'm working and I'm getting that promotion. So I'm here that I'm getting a promotion for the next level. It's kind of a visual merchandiser. So I just belong from a very poor family. So I think it's fine because also the salary will be going to increase. So after getting the news of my promotions and all, and my colleagues also get to know. After my colleagues know, and some of the colleagues, not everyone, they're giving me torture. It's kind of different kind of torture. So cool. I just think it's fine. This is not a big deal, so I can move on. My store manager also very good with me, but I don't know what happened to her, and she also giving me torture. It's kind of horrible. And 2 months, 1 month, I just go ahead. I just going on like that. I just think it's not a big deal. So to achieve my goal, so I just working on that. And it's been 3 months. So one day I just get up fed up, and I just think if somebody is touched your basic value and ethics, that time you should not compromise. If you're compromising, then your life will be same thing like that. So any situation is coming like that in your life, on my life, I will be like that. So I just think I just stop. I just give a voice that if I don't have any wrong, please don't do all these things with me. And they're like, they're not. After that also they are not stop. They are giving me so many torture. And after finally some days, and they told me to go for another places to do job. So actually it's very hard for me because where I'm staying nearby, and this is very good. Actually it's very nice, it's near to my home. It's good, but they are sending me is a far away. So it's very far places me. So I don't want to go there, and I resigned there. And after 10 or 15 days, I just searching jobs. That time is very hard time, but anyway, instead of getting taking tolerate from others, it is better. I just move on. I just resign the company, and I just find another company. And this between time when I resign and I find out for another job, this between time is very hard for me. Anyway, I got a new job now. I am good. I'm getting a better job instead of that. And my message to my friends: if you have some problems kind of like that going on, like that situation in your life, don't compromise when somebody is touched your ethics or basic value. Just don't compromise that time. Just move on from that company. I don't say I do understand because family, I just belong from poor family. It's very hard to live suddenly, but there is some circumstances when you should have left the job, and for another job you have to see. You should not do job in a pressure. I must say, where workplace will be there, where some people will be there, there will be a politics, but this is too much with me. What happened with me? If something happens similar to with you people, please immediately leave the job. Don't wait. Don't compromise with all these things. Thank you. If you really like this video, please do like, subscribe, and help me on my YouTube journey. Thank you.